This is a resource for multi-digit multiplication using specifically the partial product strategy. There are different strategies for multiplication, and I'm hoping to get a resource up for everything. This one is for partial products, and it's specifically made to be done on a screen because I know it's a lot easier to do things like this for me when I'm writing, but I want students to have a really good interactive remote resource that they can use at home. And in the future, I'm going to use this as a station in my classroom because it is designed to be completely independent. So let me show you what we have here. First, there's a multiplication table that the students can reference while they're working. And if you want to take this out, you can. And then for each type of problem we're doing, there is an intro video where I walk them through an entire problem and show them how to do it. And then for every subsequent problem that they're trying on their own, there is a get started video where I help them get started, but I don't do the whole problem for them. So I help them with these first steps, and then they need to finish the rest. You as a teacher can delete this. It is interactive, so you can click and get rid of it if you do not want videos. In this slideshow, or you want to record your own videos, absolutely can do that. But I wanted to design this so that it could be ready to go so that you can just assign it and kids can practice partial products at home or in stations or in independent practice. So we have 2 digits times 1 digit, and there are 10 of those for the students to practice. Then there's 2 digits times 2 digits, and there's a separate video showing them how to do that same strategy, but there's one more digit there that they have to remember to multiply. So this is more the bow tie method here. Everything's color coordinated to really help them. So the pinks and the reds go together, and then here you're multiplying the pink times the green. And I go over that in the video. So everything was made very intentionally, colors included. So there's 10 of those. Then finally, 3 digits times 1 digit. So we've got the 4, the 5, and the 1 times the 8. All right, so the way that this works, it is really hard for me to do problems like this on a computer. It's a lot more intuitive on paper. But with a lot of students doing online and remote learning, I really wanted to create something specifically made for a computer that they can practice. So here's how it works. And I do show the kids how to do it in the video. But the first thing they're going to do is they're going to take this 26 and split it up, and it's color coded. So the 2 is actually 20 because it's in the tens, and they click and it's already color coded and set up, and they write 20. And then the 6 is just 6 because it's 6 ones. And then the 4 is just a 4 because it's 4 ones. Now here we've got the pink times the blue. So we're going to do 20 times 4. And in the video, I talked to them about how you can forget about the 0 for a second. 2 times 4 is 8, and then put the 0 back in. So it's 80. So click, and they just type 8, 0. And then 6 times 4 is 24. So 2, 4. And then they add. So 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. And all of these are set up so that exact amount of digits that they're going to need is there. If they have to carry, there's a box up there for them to carry. And it's really set up for it to be super interactive, and the videos really help them get started so that they can feel confident and be independent with these problems. So this again is for partial products. My hope is to get some resources up for my 4th graders for the traditional method of multi-digit multiplication and also for the lattice method. But partial products is my favorite way, and so I wanted to get this resource up first. I'm really excited to use it for my students so I can work with them in class, and then they can do this on their computers once they're home. So check out the videos, and please let me know if you have any questions with this multiplication resource.